Practices have gotten significantly more complex and grown in scale significantly as well. And so what that means for the space manifests itself in a few different ways. I think of it as the events themselves, what can go wrong, the consequences of that, and then as a combination of those two, the costs associated with that. So losses, remediation and rework, business interruption, those sorts of things. So on the event side, that's almost continuously evolving. So there's the kind of standard list of events that could go wrong, leaks and spills, blowouts, what have you in the upstream. But there's always new things being added to that list. Usually doesn't go the other way. You usually never get rid of an event, but you usually a lot of times have events being added. So that continues to kind of add to the complexity. In addition to that, the consequences are escalating. So as the scale of development increases, you're developing in more and more sensitive areas, near more and more communities. There's more and more lawsuits, legal precedents being set, and so on. And so the consequences go up. And when you combine those two, overall the costs go up. So for us, at the end of last year, this trend kind of manifested itself most when a major carrier exited the space of one of the policy types that we work in. And, to us, that confirms for us that there is a lot of risk in this space. There is a big distribution of risk from good to bad, and that distribution is growing continuously. But it also means that there's reward there as well if you can assess risk effectively. People are always looking to create value either for themselves or for people that they're working with, their business counterparts. And there are a number of stakeholders who care about that risk distribution and are willing to introduce economic value, but they need to be able to see into that distribution to do that. And so if you can't effectively assess risk, then you can't enable those stakeholders to create and deliver value into that distribution. And so effective risk assessment is the key to unlocking a lot of that value and creating that value.